Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to speed up and slow down videos on CapCut. To speed up or slow down videos in CapCut on Android, you can adjust the speed settings of your clip. Here's a step-by-step guide. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your Android device. Tap on your project and choose the video from your gallery that you want to edit. Then tap on Add. Now tap on a video clip in a timeline that you want to speed up or slow down to. Then at the bottom menu, scroll and tap on the speed option. Normal. Adjust the entire clip speed uniformly. You can drag the slider to the right to speed up the video. For example, 2 times, 3 times, etc. Drag the slider to the left to slow down the video. 0.5, 0.3, etc. Now, go back and tap on Curves. Curve allows for gradual speed changes at specific points in the video. Choose preset options like Montage, Hero, or Flash In. You can also customize your own speed curve by going on Custom and adjusting points on the curve graph to make the speed change progressively throughout the video. So now I choose the Hero. Play the video to see how the speed adjustments affect your clip. You can adjust the speed further until you're satisfied. Once you're happy with the speed change, tap the check mark to apply it. Then after making the adjustments, tap the upward arrow to the top right corner of the screen to export your video at the desired resolution. By using the normal speed option for uniform adjustments, or the curve speed option for gradual changes, you can easily speed up or slow down your videos in CapCut on your device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.